From seed to table, watch the complete journey of avocados in this farm-to-restaurant story. Healthy avocado trees begin with carefully selected seeds.
This one isn't viable, toss it.
Agreed. We need to maintain the high yield standard for the next phase.
Strong avocado trees need strong land. The leveling is spot on.
And the moisture retention data looks promising. We can proceed.
Fertilizing the soil ensures healthy avocado growth.
Check this section, the readings are slightly off.
Okay, I see it. Let's recalibrate the spreader settings now.
Planting small avocado seedlings carefully ensures strong future growth.
This row looks good for integration.
Agreed. The placement is precise. Let's move on.
The coverage looks consistent here.
Yes, the dosage is perfect.
Fertilization stage complete. These seedlings are thriving.
Absolutely, the color is perfect.
Fertilizing the roots ensures strong and healthy avocado growth.
This row is coming along nicely. See the new growth here?
Yes, they seem to be adapting well to the sunlight.
Proper watering preparation ensures healthy avocado growth.
Input the flow rate reading now.
Done. The system is fully operational.
The alignment on this pipe seems off.
I see it. Let me note the GPS coordinates. The slope looks good here, right on target for the drainage.
Excellent. Let's move to the next section and verify the contour.
Identifying insect damage and leaf diseases early protects avocado trees.
See the necrosis here? That's typical of the avocado thrips.
Thrips, noted. Severity is high on this one.
Spraying protects small avocado plants from insects and diseases.
That section is clear. The coverage is excellent.
Got it. Row 42 logged as complete.
Careful harvesting ensures only the best avocados are collected.
Check the ones up top, they look ready.
Got it. Bring the basket over here.
Ya casi terminamos esta sección.
Apúrate, que el sol está fuerte. Watch out above.
Got it, thanks.
Fertility Louis. Cleaning and choosing good avocados ensures quality for market and consumption.
proper packaging preserves quality during transportation and sale. Proper transportation ensures avocados arrive fresh and undamaged.
Fresh avocados reach customers for buying, selling, and consumption.
That will be 10 rupees for the avocados.
Here you are. Thank you.
Wow, this is really good. Can I have another one, please?
These are the freshest avocados you'll find in the market today. Perfectly ripe and ready to eat. That is incredibly fresh.
I know, right? Creamy and delicious.
Juice. Avocados enhance taste and visual appeal in restaurant dishes.
Here are your dishes.
Yeah.
The presentation is simply stunning, isn't it?
Yeah. It smells so good.